Some devices, like certain smart TVs, phones, or even media players, don't support AC3. The video looks fine, but the sound is missing. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly fix it by converting AC3 to a more common format like AC or MP3. Alright, let's jump into the fix. First, you'll need WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. It's an all-in-one tool that helps you convert videos and audio, reduce large file size, and even do some light editing. But for today, we're focusing on fixing that AC3 issue. You can grab it directly from the official WonderFox website or use the link in the description. It has a trial version for you to try out the features. Once you've installed it, open the program. On the home screen, you'll see several options. Click on Converter. Click the Add Files button, then select the video that has the audio problem. You can also drag and drop your file directly into the program. On the right side, click the Output Format menu. You'll see a whole list of categories like video, audio, web, and so on. Since we're not going to convert the video, let's select the same video format as the original. Now, you will see a lightning bolt icon here. This means that the conversion will not change the video stream, and the speed will be super fast later. Here comes the important part, changing the audio format of the video. It's easy. Just open Parameter Settings. Click the Audio Encoder tab and select AAC or MP3, which is widely supported by various devices. Then click OK. At the bottom, pick a new folder so you know exactly where your converted video will land. Finally, hit the big Run button. The software will process the video and replace that unsupported AC3 track with a new AAC or MP3 track. And that's it. Once it's done, play your video again. You should hear the audio loud and clear this time. So that's how you solve the no audio problem. By converting AC3 to AAC or MP3, your videos will play sound on almost any device or player without any extra steps. I hope this tutorial helped you get your audio back. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.